Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to connect a VPN on Windows 10. Now this is a very easy process, but there are a couple different ways to do this. If you have a manual connection that you want to use, well, this is the process. However, if you want to go ahead and use a different application, well, there's a completely other way to do this too. So first off, if you want to input a manual, a VPN connection to your specific Windows PC, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the start menu on the bottom. You want to go into your settings. You want to click on network and internet, and you want to type in VPN. Now a little option will come up at the top which will allow you to click add a VPN connection, and this is where you can go ahead and actually configure your VPN settings. So it's going to ask you for your VPN provider, which you can choose Windows, which is the built-in one. You can type in the connection name, your server names and addresses, your VPN types, and all that other information. Now this is a little bit more complicated, like I mentioned, because if you don't have this information, you may be wondering how you can even use a VPN. Now I will leave those full settings in the description, so you can just go to Microsoft's website in the description. You can follow along there. But I do think a majority of you may actually want the alternative method of using a VPN, which is a much easier method for a lot of people. To do this, what I would recommend doing is actually going onto Google and just typing in best VPNs for Windows 10 or anything like that. There's a lot of VPNs across the board that you can use, and some of them, like NordVPN's one. If you want to use a VPN, I'd recommend doing your research, and every single VPN out there has their own way of installing and setting up their VPNs. So in this case, if we just look at Proton VPN, which is a VPN you can use for a bunch of different things, like I mentioned, some of them are free, some of them are paid, but a majority of these VPNs are supported on a bunch of different operating systems. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and install one of these types of VPNs, whichever one you want to use. And at that point, all you have to do is follow along with those VPN settings. Every single VPN has their installation guide, so it's just like installing any other piece of software. Now, because this video is not sponsored, I don't know any VPN. I don't know which VPN you're going to choose. So again, whichever VPN you choose is the way to do it. So those are the two different ways you can go ahead and actually install a VPN and use a VPN on your Windows 10 PC. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.